Um, what I'm going to be doing then, we've got a new product, which is a shower timer, and I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on this particular product. And the whole point behind this, as resources are getting more and more scarce, and we need to start worrying about water and also the energy to heat that water, we're actually quite wasteful at the same time. And one of the things that we can do to try and cut down on the amount of water we're using and the amount of energy again to heat that water is to use less of it. And one of the big consumption points of water is when people are showering. So the whole point behind this this unit is that it's aimed at saving water and energy and being good for the environment by doing that. So what does it do? It's got a nice little compact size so that it can go into a case. You can laminate up sheets of Perspex and slot that into it. It's designed so that there's no external switches, so that you can make it so that it's waterproof without having to drill holes in stuff and trying to get them all sealed and using IP rated stuff. So it's a completely self-contained unit, and basically what happens is it's got this tilt switch in it here. Now normally if that's enclosed in a case that's hanging on the shower stand, what you can do is as you tip it up, the ball sensor in that activates and the LED will start flashing. Now I don't know whether you saw it there, but it flashed 4 times. And what this will do is that it shows for 4 minutes that you've got 4 minutes left to shower, and then as another minute goes by, that drops down to 3 flashes, 2 flashes, 1 flash, and as long as you're finished showering by the time that it gets to the end, then you've obviously taken a 4-minute shower rather than 10 minutes in the shower, which has helped save on those resources. So that's how it works. When it's not flashing away, it automatically turns itself off, so the battery will last really long. And in fact, it will last for a good couple of years, being used daily. So it can go into a case that is, completely sealed. And if you do need to get into it to change the batteries, that's going to be very infrequent. So just going back to the way it's working, then. We've just gone down into that. We've been showering for a whole minute. We're back onto 3 minutes now. So when it flashes, we've got 3 flashes there. There's 3 minutes left. Now you'll be glad to know that I'm not going to talk for the full 4 minutes that this is flashing away. But do trust me that when it gets down to 0, it flashes lots and then it stops. So we've already had quite a bit of interest in sort of case designs on this, and various people are working on it. It has only been released for a couple of months, so we've not got any pictures that I can show you. If you do like that as a concept, we do free samples of this kit, and you'll need the stock code for that, which is 2147, and that's for the shower timer kit. If you want to get a free sample, all you need to do, go onto the resource section, go onto the services section of the website and request a free sample. That's available for all Kitronic project kits as long as they're being sent to school addresses. So if we do just whiz back to this, we're now down onto 2 minutes, and you'll see that when the LED flashes again, we'll get 2 flashes out of it. He says, there we go. So that's busy timing away.